Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot, and that is, can you use Coinbase in Africa? Now, I'm not a financial advisor, so I can't give you specific advice on how to use Coinbase. But I can tell you what I know about the platform and how it might be used in Africa. So, let's get started. What is Coinbase? Coinbase is a cryptocurrency exchange platform that allows you to buy, sell, and store a variety of cryptocurrencies. It's one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, and it's available in over 100 countries. Can you use Coinbase in Africa? The answer is yes, you can use Coinbase in Africa. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. Coinbase is not available in all African countries. You will need to verify your identity with a government-issued ID. You will need to provide proof of address. You may be subject to additional fees and restrictions. How to use Coinbase in Africa? If you want to use Coinbase in Africa, here are the steps you need to follow. Go to the Coinbase website and create an account. Verify your identity with a government-issued ID. Provide proof of address. Fund your account with your local currency. Once your account is funded, you can start buying and selling cryptocurrencies. What are the benefits of using Coinbase in Africa? There are a number of benefits to using Coinbase in Africa. It's a safe and secure platform. It's easy to use. It offers a wide variety of cryptocurrencies. It's available in many African countries. What are the risks of using Coinbase in Africa? There are also a few risks to using Coinbase in Africa. It may be subject to additional fees and restrictions. There is always the risk of fraud and scams when using any cryptocurrency exchange. Overall, Coinbase is a great option for people who want to buy, sell, and store cryptocurrencies in Africa. However, it's important to be aware of the risks before you start using the platform. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for using Coinbase in Africa. Be sure to do your research before you start using the platform. Be aware of the fees and restrictions that apply to your account. Use strong passwords and two-factor authentication to protect your account. Be careful when dealing with strangers online. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on cryptocurrency. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.